So this event wouldn't be possible without Atria, of course. I would like to thank the management and staff for being with me every step of the way since before I actually won in the World Championships of Performing Arts, all those medals. Before that, I always had the support of Atria. And for that, I always considered this place my second home. And thank you for always giving me the platform and giving me the freedom to showcase who I am as an artist. And also to all the merchants here. Thank you for always sustaining me. As in, every time magbasking ko, they're very, very generous. Like, they share what they can. And also, I would like to thank Sensa Spa, also one of my personal sponsors, since I left for the competition. And this last song, before I'm gonna sing it, I would like to thank, of course, my friends, the bus stop, artists, who took time to be here despite their busy schedules, and to everybody who celebrated with us, with me, my family, my loved ones. Thank you so much. And to my boyfriend, Kuno, sige, hi babe, hi Cory. Gusto nila makilig, okay, So yes, and before we cap the night, I'm gonna be singing a song. This song was, the first heard this song during our Blue Jacket ceremony. And actually, isa ni siya ka song na nagpahibik sa amon tanan nga delegates. And this song was written by Sir David Mercado of David and Rai. So this is, actually learned the song this month lang since I came home because I really wanted to sing the song. So this is Lipad. And this speaks about my journey as an artist, as a performer, and especially during the World Championships of Performing Arts. Makausap lang lumalayo, pangarap na hinahangad, wag malungkot na, walang lumilipad na, nagdumanas madapa. Kung nais sumikat sing liwanag ng mga tala, lumituin sa hilaga. Kung napapagod ka, magpahinga ka muna, ayos lang may bukas pa. At balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad, balang araw lilipad. At balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad, balang araw lilipad. Mga pagsubok na iyong pinagdaraanan, lahat ng ito'y panandalian lamang. Huwag malumbay pa, konting tiis lang muna, araw ay sisikat na. At balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad, balang araw lilipad. At balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad, balang araw lilipad. Gintong sa apoy dinadalisan, luha mo ay dalang tagumpay. Gintong sa apoy dinadalisay, luha mo ay may dalang tagumpay. Gintong sa apoy dinadalisay, luha mo ay may dalang tagumpay. Balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad. Balang araw lilipad, at balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad. Balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad. Balang araw lilipad, at balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang maglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad. Balang araw lilipad, balang araw lilipad, bukas ang siyang naglalahad. Sa tadhana'y nakasaad, mithi matutupad. Balang araw lilipad. And this has been Moira, World Championships of Performing Arts, multi-medalist, finalist, and 3-time division champion. Thanking you for being part of my journey and giving you a message that no matter how long it takes, your dreams will come true and you will have your time wherein you can fly. Thank you so much and good evening.